In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn projects into progress with Microsoft Loop and Copilot. Start by heading to loopmicrosoft.com and signing in with your Microsoft 365 account. Loop is a flexible, collaborative canvas, and once you're in, you'll see why it's great for turning ideas into action. Create a workspace to keep everything for a project in one place. Think of a workspace as your project's container. Give it a clear name and, if helpful, a short description so teammates instantly know what lives there. This is where you'll gather pages, links, and files related to the work. Inside your workspace, add pages to organize plans, notes, and tasks. Pages are like chapters of your project, one for planning, one for meeting notes, another for deliverables, and so on. If you want a head start, use a built-in template such as project planning. Templates provide a sensible structure, milestones, task tables, and status areas, so you can focus on content instead of formatting. When you're ready to draft, bring in Copilot. On a page, type the / and choose Draft Page Content. Ask Copilot to generate a project brief, a goals summary, or a meeting agenda. Be specific in your prompt, mention timelines, audiences, and outcomes, and then refine the draft by regenerating or editing until it fits your needs. You can always type directly onto the page or use the / menu to insert elements that make work actionable. Drop in tables to organize data, checklists for simple to-dos, images for context, and assign tasks to keep ownership clear. For structured execution, insert a task list using the / command. Turn each line into a trackable item, assign an owner, and add dates to make accountability obvious. As work grows, switch to a Kanban board to visualize flow across stages like to-do, in progress, and completed. Drag tasks between columns as status changes and keep labels consistent so everyone reads progress the same way. To collaborate beyond Loop, copy any table or list as a Loop component and paste it into a Teams chat or an Outlook email. It stays live. That means updates made right in the chat sync instantly back to your main project workspace, keeping everyone aligned without version chaos. When a plan, decision, or source of truth is final, use the lock feature to prevent accidental edits. You can always unlock later if something changes, but locking protects the integrity of your agreed upon content. With these steps, you'll go from scattered tasks to synchronized progress using Microsoft Loop and Copilot.